In this video, we are going to see how we can create a new company in Teleprime. And also I'll show you that if you have already closed the application, how we can reopen it. So I've already closed the application and now I want to reopen it. On the left hand corner, I can see the Teleprime logo. That means this is a shortcut on my desktop. Just double click here to open and it's now opening up the software. We will continue with the educational mode because that's what we were already working on, and it will again take you to this screen. If you want to create a new company, just click on the first option, that is create a company. And the company that we will be working on is Elite Traders. Now this company is a car parts trading company. That means they buy the items on wholesale rate and then sell that parts. For example, windscreen, headlights, wheel cups and rear lights. So we are basically considering a scenario that the company was already operating for many years, but they were a small business or they didn't feel the need of maintaining the records in the software, but now their business is expanding. So they are expecting to transfer all the records from the manual accounting registers to the professional accounting software like this one. So basically they will close the trial balance for the last year, take all the closing balances for all the ledgers and then make it opening for the coming year, and then make it the opening balance for the current year, which is starting from January 1st, 2025. Anyways, the creation screen is pretty simple. As soon as we click on create company, it will take us to this area. As we have already seen in the last video that how we can set this data path if you want to store the company's data somewhere else. And after that, let's mention the company name, which is Elite Traders. Mailing name will be same. You can mention the address or you can leave it blank as well because that's not a compulsory field. And if you are in US, you need to define any kind of state that is applicable. Let's say New York. We can mention any PIN code and other details, but this is very simple information and also these are not compulsory fields. So we can skip all of this. The base currency symbol is dollars. Formal name is dollar. If you're using the software for some other country, you can change the state and the currency sign will change automatically. For example, if we change the country to UAE, automatically the base currency symbol will be turned to AED and the formal name will be UAE dirham. So that's how you can easily change this according to your country. The financial year beginning from 1st of January. And the books will begin from the same time period. Sometimes you're maintaining the record or starting the company in the middle of the year. So only in that scenarios, you will consider a different books beginning from date. For example, you are starting the company from scratch on 1st of June 2025, but the financial year normally begins from 1st of January till 31st of December. So since the company is starting on that 1st June date, only then the books beginning from will be changed. But otherwise, in this case, the company is operating for many years and it's just transferring its record from the manual records to the computerized one. So they are putting the opening balances. So that's where you will put the same date for both of them. Hit enter, enter, and finally you will see the accept screen. Hit enter to accept that. Now this screen will show you that the company is created successfully. Enable the features as per your business needs. So it's asking you some further information. Show more features. If you want to click yes, it will show some more features. Enable more features for you. So as soon as we turn it yes, as you can see here, it has opened many features that you can configure according to your company needs. And again, if you want to show all the features more than this one, so turn this one on as well and you will see even more functions. Some advanced functions like job costing, cost tracking, job order processing. Right now it is set to no. That means we don't want to enable all of this. Maintain payroll, we don't want to enable this, but later on we will work on this advanced features as well. And again, how we can save all of these changes that we have made. We will simply click on accept, or otherwise if you want to use the short key, it's with the double dashes. That means you will hold the control key and then press A to accept. So control A is to save, like you normally save the Word document as control S. Same goes here, control A to accept. And this will take you to the gateway of Tele, which is the main screen of the software. On the left hand side, we have the current period, which is from 1st of January till 31st of December of the relevant year. The current date is this one, and the company name is this. Date of last entry, no vouchers entered because this is a brand new company. Now at this point, if you feel that the current period or current date or even the company name needs to be adjusted, you can simply go to the top area of the company. If you want to use this one as a short key, K is with the combination of 1 dash. That means alternate will be used. 1 dash means alternate, 2 dashes means control. Hold the alternate key and press K to access this, and click on alter to just go in here. Here we see the company alteration screen. That means we can make all of the changes all over again, and it will immediately be changed in the main company. Now, for example, it will make the changes immediately. If I make the changes here, the company name, let's say, was Elite Traders Private Limited. As soon as I press Control A, it will be changed in the name of the company. So this means that whenever we know some further information that we haven't entered at the time of company creation, we can simply go in here and click on alter. Let's correct the name back to Elite Traders. And we can fill in all of the details later on as we know it. Press Control A. So that's how we can create a brand new company in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.